Hey guys, my name is Sui and I've been working on a project for the past 2 days and it took 36 hours for me to build this project. Okay, so I have a project called shortcodescheduler.versa.app, which is a scheduler app powered by LLM. And I have Jamai based as the LLM service provider in my backend. So let's get started with this. So this is the first version and it might have a lot of room for improvement. If you think that you can contribute to this system, feel free to contact me so that we can discuss on how you can contribute to this project. Okay, so from this shortcodescheduler.versa.app, you can see from this interface and it shows upload your CSV from time edit. So why upload your CSV is because UM has changed their system from Maya to time edit, which is the third-party service provider. Okay, so for now, you have to download the CSV from there, and in the future, we might download our own data, and then so that you don't have to upload your CSV. But that is in the future version, right? So without wasting any time, I'll show you how you can download the CSV from the time edit. So from here, you have to go to your Maya system first. All right, Maya system, maya.um.edu.my. Okay, so once you log in with it, click on the timetable and click on the timetable search. Right, so choose student and timetable search. And for the search, be sure to check the module offering. So what's to add inside this search field is basically add all the courses that you are taking this semester. So you can't add everything inside this search field because my system is not that smart enough, but we might improve it in the future. So without wasting time, let's add my course which I'm taking this semester. Oh, by the way, I'm FSKTM student, so let's add my courses. Okay, so once you have added everything in the checkbox, then you can click on the show schedule here. And this time edit is so messy, as you can see from here. So we have to tackle them down using my AI scheduler. So in the top right corner, there's a download button. So click on that. And from the drop down, there's a CSV download option. So click on that as well. And once you click on that, then you can download in your download folders or whatever. So I will click on my download folder. Right. So I've downloaded it inside my folder. And let's get back to my website. And from here, it says that you can upload your file already. So click on the choose file and click on the file that you have downloaded just now. Open it, upload and process. And from here, you can show the uploaded data, the max combination, as well as the magic search, which I'm going to show you right now. So click on the magic search. 50 combination has been generated. So you can see here, you can scroll down and get everything, the combination in which the OCC, the courses that you have added just now is not clashed together. So for example, combination 45, click on that and you can see, wow, the course is arranged for you without any clash. So this is the way for you to find every combination so that you can register your course without clash. So there is a save button here and it is in the vertical format and it's not the horizontal one. As I know that everyone is using phone, and if you are using the horizontal map format, then you have to tilt your phone to view the timetable. So I'm suggesting to using the vertical format. Right. So you can click on the save. Okay, let's save it to my laptop. Open it up, and bingo. You can see, you can send to your friend or whatever, and you can make it as your home screen in your phone. Then you can view your timetable anytime and everywhere. Yeah. So there's still much more combination right now, and there are different combinations where you can see. Yeah. So one of the things that I'm really excited to show you now is the AI suggestion. So for here, actually before you can see this screen, you have to upload your Jamai based API key. So from here, I'm showing you that the Jamai base, you can click on the or you can find the cloud.jamaibase.com. Then click on the organization, click on the secret part, and copy the API key. And if you have not created the API key, you can click on the create API keys and copy that API keys, and then you can paste your API key here. So because I have been paste my API key, so it showed this box for me. So I'm very excited to show this option because this is so powerful that it suggests you which combination is the best for you. So click on that and take some time, okay? Alright, so the AI suggestion has been out. So there might be a flaw in the LLM suggestion. So I have to warn that LLM is not that perfect, but we will perfect the LLM, or some other company like Meta or Google will perfect the LLM in the future, right? So this is the first part is extended weekend. It show nothing because LLM could go wrong. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, so more lunchtime suggestion. It shows combination 27 has more lunchtime. So why it says so? So you can view the LLM explanation here. The advantage has more lunchtime. Oops. Okay. So it shows you the time pattern and gap and how it can impact you, the benefits for you, and so on. So besides more lunchtime, you can wake up late. See, the LLM actually can detect the pattern of your timetable and show you the benefit of it and explain a lot of it in the background process. Next up, work-life balance. Let's look at how it's explained. Closer look at the schedule. Yeah, it actually suggests why it's very work-life balance for you. Yeah. And this is, I'm very hyped for this LLM is because LLM in the future is a trend, right? So let's get into the background process of how Gemini actually generate this response for you. Okay, so let's get back to the Gemini base. I will click on my project file in the SSY project. Okay, so this is called the action table that in the Gemini base that you can use to generate response for you. So for example here, AI scheduler. Okay, so I have input everything, for the time slot are packed inside the JSON format, and then I upload inside my Gemini base, and the outputs column will based on my system prompt and the prompt engineering that I have. It's like more lunchtime here, and the output is integer format, and I just one time slot, so you actually can follow my format, and the inputs is based on the input column time slot, and many more. Not only lunchtime, I have wake up late, extended weekend, and work-life balance. And the explanation part is actually based on another table, which is another action table that I created. I input that combination, their time gap, their time inside here, and then I want the LLM to make explanation like why it can bring you work-life balance. So your explanation should include specific time pattern, how it's impact potential benefit for you, and so on. So this is my prompt engineering. So this is the Gemini base that I want to introduce to all developers And if you want to contribute or know more about Jamai Airbase, feel free to contact me. Yep. And this is my AI scheduler. And you can find it from shopquizscheduler.versa.app. See you.